Here's another one of my fabulous Chinese fakeaways. This is my homemade chicken and black bean. Absolutely beautiful. This is a fabulous recipe. I know you're all going to love it. First thing we're going to do is prepare the chicken, and in here I've got 500 grams of chicken thigh. You can use chicken breast either. I'm going to add in half a teaspoon of bread soda, baking soda. That helps to tenderize the chicken. Got 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, half a teaspoon of white wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon of oil, and some salt and pepper. Mix everything together. Great. I'm going to marinate this now for 25 minutes. You can of course marinate it overnight. So I'm going to chill this for about 25 minutes. Next up, we're going to make the black bean sauce, and for a traditional black bean sauce you normally use fermented black beans, but I can't get them anywhere, so I'm going to show you a nice easy recipe using products from your local supermarket that you don't have a problem getting. I'm using a tin of black beans. I've washed them, and these are the ones I use, and it's a 400 gram tin. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to mash up half of the black beans just with a fork. Great. So I'm going to get these into 200 mils of chicken stock. Spoon them in there. All right, in goes 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce, half a teaspoon of dark, just to give it a bit of colour, 1.5 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1.5 teaspoons of honey. You can use brown sugar either, a teaspoon of sesame oil, a few optional dried chili flakes, and 1.5 teaspoons of corn flour. And give that a good stir. So that is my homemade black bean sauce. That's it, as simple as that. We're ready to make our chicken and black bean now. Heat a pan with some oil over a high heat and get your chicken in there. I'm going to fry the chicken for about 5 to 6 minutes until it's a nice lightly golden colour. My chicken's nice and brown now. It smells wonderful. So what I'm going to do is going to remove this from the pan, put it into a clean bowl. Perfect. Add a little more oil if you need it. I'm going to add in 1 sliced onion, a sliced red pepper, and a sliced green pepper. You can include other veg as well, and I'll give you a few ideas in the recipe below. Some people like it with broccoli, baby corn would be lovely in it too, mushrooms. I'm going to cook this now for about 4 to 5 minutes. We want the veg nice and soft. Smells beautiful and fabulous colours there. Veg is ready, so I'm going to add in 3 chopped garlic cloves and a teaspoon of fresh ginger grated. I'm going to cook this now for about 30 seconds. Okay, add back in my chicken and all the juices. Mix everything together. Doesn't that look amazing? Of course, you can swap out the chicken for beef, corn, prawns, whatever you like, and I'll include how to do that in the recipe. That's great. Okay, in goes the black bean sauce. Mix it all in. Then we're going to simmer it for about 5 minutes till the sauce starts to thicken. So turn the heat up, and when it starts boiling, just simmer it then for about 5 minutes. Yum. My chicken and black bean is ready. I'm going to add a little bit more water to it. It's thickened up a little bit too much. All right, so you can serve this with rice and chips, or noodles. I'm going to serve this one with noodles today. These are the noodles I'm using. They're a straight to wok noodles. I'm using about 600 grams of those. So get them in there. I'm going to mix everything together. That's a fine big pan of chicken and black bean. And we're going to cook the noodles now for about 2 minutes. Some people like a lot of sauce. I like it like this. But if you do, then you can just double the amounts in the sauce recipe. Just leave the black beans as they are and double everything else. So that's coming along nicely now. This is nearly ready. A couple of more ingredients. Going to add some chopped spring onion to it. You can add 3 chopped spring onions. Gives it a nice bit of colour, yum. Stir them in. You'd have lots of sauce if you use rice. Because I use the noodles, it's absorbed all the sauce, but still beautiful. Okay, and now I'm just going to sprinkle over some toasted sesame seeds to really set them off. Great flavour in them as well when you toast them. Now time for the taste test. Beautiful. You can taste the black bean and it's perfect. Just as good as anything you would buy from a good takeaway. And there you have it, my chicken and black bean. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to get some onto a plate now. And that's it, a nice, easy chicken and black bean recipe for you all to try. Nothing hard about it. I really hope you all enjoy it and try it out. Happy baking, everyone, and see you all soon.